Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing delicious chicken appetizer recipe. Wash one boneless chicken breast, add salt, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of vinegar. Apply these ingredients on the chicken piece. Let it marinate for 10 minutes. In a pan add oil, add sufficient water to boil the chicken piece. Once the water starts boiling, put the chicken breast in the water. Cover and let it cook on medium flame. Once one side of the chicken is cooked, flip the chicken to cook the other side also. Cover and let it cook. Once the chicken is cooked, switch off the flame and let it cool. Now shred the chicken. Keep it aside. Heat oil in a pan. Add one onion chopped, one green chili finely chopped, few cloves of garlic finely chopped. Saute on medium flame. Add little salt. Stir. Add the shredded chicken. Stir. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken masala powder. Mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix. Add handful of coriander leaves washed and chopped. Mix. Add half teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix. Add water. I added the water which remained after boiling the chicken for better flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well. The chicken filling is now ready. Switch off the flame. In a pan, add water. Add salt. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well. Add 3 tablespoons of clarified butter. Stir. Once the clarified butter melts and the water starts boiling, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Stir continuously to form a dough. Once the dough is formed, Switch off the flame. Transfer the dough to the work surface. Now it requires to be kneaded. Since it is very hot, I am using a spoon. Knead till a smooth dough is formed, without any cracks. Remove portions of the dough, flatten it in your palm, place chicken filling in it, cover and shape it like this. Follow the same steps to make rest of the chicken appetizers. Now coat the chicken appetizers with all-purpose flour. Remove the excess flour. In a bowl, add 1 egg, a pinch of salt, beat it well. Coat the chicken appetizers with the beaten egg and then with breadcrumbs. Heat oil in a pan to deep fry the chicken appetizers. Cautiously place the chicken appetizers in the oil. Flip the chicken appetizers so that all sides of the chicken appetizer gets cooked. Fry it on low flame as the inside part has to be cooked. After frying, switch off the flame. Delicious chicken appetizers are now ready. If you like my videos, then click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.